Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to share password access securely with LastPass. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to share a single password item, the simplest way is to simply share with another LastPass user by opening your vault. Log in into your LastPass on web or through your desktop application. Now, find the item to share. Locate the side entry for the password you want to share from your list of passwords. After this, click the share icon. This icon typically looks like two overlapping portraits. After you have done this, enter the recipient's email address. Input the email address of the person you want to share the password with and choose password visibility. Decide whether to enable the Allow Recipients to View Password option for maximum security or leave this unchecked so the recipient can use the password via autofill but cannot see the actual text. Now click Share. The recipient will receive an email notification and see the new item in their LastPass vault after accepting the invitation. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.